Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Airasia account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Airasia. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add extra baggage on Airasia. So from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you have Chat with Bo. So go ahead and click on Chat with Bo, and it's going to open up the chat window. So at least 48 hours before your flight, that's when you will be able to add extra baggage on Airasia. So you have to take note of that. So come in here and select Airasia flight. Now over here, enter booking changes. And you have guest details update, flight change, refund request, add-ons, and you have back to previous menu. So go ahead and click on add-ons. Now select baggage. So cabin baggage, check baggage policy, purchase checked baggage, which you're going to click on. So click on purchase checked baggage, and it's going to take you to the next step. Now, Bo is requesting for your booking number or your PNR. So how can you find, or where can you find your booking number? You can find it in your confirmation mail. So after booking your ticket, you get a confirmation mail. In your confirmation mail, you have your booking number right there. So copy your booking number and come over here and paste it. So after sending it to Bo, Bo is going to help you add an extra baggage to your flight or to your order on Airasia. So this is pretty much the process. Now I can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.